I'm sorry, did you just call this milk? No. No. No, 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 no.
My spirit animal is definitely a raccoon.
So, have you tried garbage before?
My cousin's a gutter punk, so I'm actually embarrassed. I haven't tried a lot of these before.
Yeah, I would definitely consider myself a foodie, so, you know, whatever you want to throw at us, I'm totally game.
Do I eat the... Yes? I eat the napkin too?
Can I at least see whose mouth was on this before I eat this?
Not bad.
You know, I pay like $5 for this.
Okay.
What's worse, the texture or the flavor?
The smell.
I love that we can complete each other's sentences.
I feel like this is always in cartoon garbage, but never in real garbage.
I can totally picture Sylvester, like, getting a whole fish and, like, dipping it into his mouth and, like, pulling this out.
Ow. Ow. 3 stars? Ow.
I don't like fish. I don't like bones. Shouldn't these have been recycled?
Am I supposed to hold this like a chicken leg?
Seems really authentic. Crunchy.
Very.
Good texture.
The kind of texture you don't get with most food.
It actually tastes kind of metallic. Like...
Like leftovers? Oh no.
Yeah, no.
I need to reroute my wafer.
You know, I'm not surprised that I actually liked most of this stuff. I have very eclectic tastes.
You're worldly.
I'm worldly, thank you.
Well, at least I tried something new.
Do you still think you're a raccoon?
You know, sometimes there's a diamond in the rough. Sometimes you should try things that other people have called garbage or rancid.
I can't believe people actually eat this stuff.
They don't.